Hello everyone, welcome to Accounting 124 Computerized Income Tax Preparation. This is an 8-week course. My name is Alyssa Wong. My email address is wong_sau@sac.edu. I prefer email communication. In this course, you don't need to have any books. Various handouts will be available through the module. And this class will require to have TaxSlayer Pro software. When you log in into TaxSlayer Pro software, you need to go to Practice Lab in here. And let's go down to the course requirement. We have midterm examination starting on Module 4. Final exam is on Module 8. Homework, we have 5 tax return assignments, each worth 20 points. And you need to do the self-introduction in the first module. And we'll have discussion on each module, starting on Module 2 through Module 7. And we'll have quiz starting on Module 2 and end of the course survey. The total points of this course requirement is 465 points. Let's go down to the very important days. The class starts on April 12, ends on June 6 of this year. Last day to add this course is April 21st. Last day to drop without any W withdrawal is April 21st. Last day to drop with withdrawal is May 23rd. And last day to get the refund is April 18. And this is the weekly schedule. On week 1, you need to introduction to the course, briefly discuss importance of income tax rate. And week 2, filing status dependent, so on and so forth. Week 4, we have the midterm exam. And the final week is Module 8, week 8, final exam. Let's go to the course module 1 in here. In Module 1, you need to do a self-introduction, orientation quiz, and we'll have the TaxSlayer practice lab in here to show you. We have videotape on TaxSlayer practice lab to show you how to enter tax return into the TaxSlayer program and generate a tax return. And these are the video that for you to look at. And then we'll have practice tax exam bonus point. This is a bonus point for 10 points in here. And discussion assignment. And Module 2, we have weekly assignment graded. You have to do 1 weekly assignment on Lincoln tax return, and then on the practice tax return, we'll show you on video how to do Hernandez return. And then you follow Hernandez, return, and then to do the Lincoln return. Also, Module 2, we have homework quiz, and we have the discussion for you to do. Module 3 is the same. We have 1 practice tax return, Dubois, on the video for you to watch, and then you need to do the homework 3 on O'Banion, and then homework quiz and discussion, so on and so forth. Module 4, you don't need to do any homework. However, you need to take the exam, the midterm exam on Sanders return, and the weekly discussion on Module 4. Okay. And I would like to point out something in here. On the on the course information, there is general course questions. Under the course information, general course question. You can post your question in here. Okay. You can read this and then post your question if you have any question, and then And then to ask a question, click a reply in here, and then you can ask the question. And when your classmates see you have question, or I see you have question, I'll try to answer your question, and your classmate can answer the question also. Let's go to the home page. In the home page, we have 8 modules, 8 classes in here. And this is a quick link to the course information. You can click here. It lists you to the course information. Still blinking. Okay. We have course information, and then general course question you can ask in here. Okay. Let's go back to home page. And my contact information is under this quick course link, contact instructor. And this is my name and a brief introduction of myself, my phone number, email address. That's it, and welcome to the course. Thank you for watching.